Well, welcome back to the Bobcat Forever YouTube channel. In this channel we shoot stuff. And today we're in sunny Northeast Ohio down on the farm. It's a beautiful afternoon. And we're going to shoot at this drywall. 5/8 inch drywall left over from our last shooting. We won't let it go to waste. We're going to shoot it what was left over. This is 24 pieces and it's 14.5 inches deep, and we're going to shoot at it with some smaller guns than what we did last go around. So we'll see how a 22, a 17 HMR, a 223, and a 22-250, how they penetrate this drywall. Unfortunately, the 22-250, the only ammo I could find was soft point ammo, so it's probably at a disadvantage to the others, which are either full metal jacket or round nose. 22s are just plain round nose bullets. So we'll see how it goes. Now, first off, we're going to shoot the Rossi RS-22 with Blazer 22 round nosed ammunition. Next, we're going to shoot the 17 HMR into the drywall. Next, shooting the Savage 223 into the drywall. Next, shooting the Ruger American 2250 into the drywall. Well, let's inspect these and see where the bullets end up going. One thing for sure, you can see the 22-250 with the soft point bullet is spreading out, making a bigger hole. And that was on number 6. Okay, we have 4 holes through number 9. And it looks like the regular 22 stopped here on number 10, and so did the 17 HMR. Stopped there on number 10, just put a dent in it. And the 22-250 actually stopped on number 9, and here's fragments of the bullet on number 9. So it was one of the first ones to stop, along with the regular 22 long rifle. Shows what a soft point bullet will do. So the only one that's still going is the 223. It's up through 16, 17. It stopped on number 17, and the bullet is in there, but I can't really get it out unless I get a screwdriver or something to dig on it, but it didn't did not come through the back. So that was kind of interesting. And all the rest of these are clear. So the 22 and the round nose and the 22-250 soft point and the 17 HMR all went about the same distance into the drywall, and then the 223, which you would expect, went quite a bit further. So that was fun. It was interesting. Plus I got rid of this surplus drywall left over from shooting the 30-06 and the 308. So it was a good day. Well, that knocked down the one camera.